Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into today's video, I want to say a massive thank you to Serpent Silver. He is the newest member of the 365 Club. He joined the 365 Club a couple of days ago. And I've just fired up this machine to add his name to the Barrel of Fame at the back there. So there we go. I remembered the font size and everything this time. Serpent Silver. Do please head over and check out his channel if you haven't already. He's a very new creator. I think he's only uploaded 2 or 3 videos so far. So you can be one of his early subscribers. I believe when I last checked he had 40 subscribers. Let me double check and have a look. He has 53 subscribers now, and he's done 3 videos in total. You can see that he started stacking and collecting in March 2023, so he hasn't been stacking that long, and he has only just started his YouTube channel. So please do head over and show your support. Let's try and get him to 100. But he's also joined the 365 Club, so I want to say a massive thank you, Serpent Silver, for joining the 365 Club. I know you said you joined because you couldn't wait any longer to see the toilet silver coin. So that made me really laugh. So yeah, thanks very much, mate. I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave that there for now, and I'm going to add that to the barrel after this video has been done, because I don't want to get the barrel down now because there's lots of stuff going on the table. But before we go any further, I'm going to light the candles. I'm going to light the largest one first, because this is the one that we need to get down as quick as possible. And then let's see if we can use the same match. There we go, mastered it, to get that one up and running. Now that is a candle I originally stole from a display that Mrs. 365 had in the front room. And I went to place it back the other day, and she caught me and she said, "What are you doing with that candle?" And I said, and she goes, "You've been using it in your videos, haven't you?" She goes, "I wondered where it had gone. I thought the display looked a bit different from how I left it." But she's actually come round and she's let me keep hold of it for my videos. She said, "It's okay, I've got a new one anyway that I was going to put there." So we've actually claimed this candle as part of our 365 studio. So thank you very much, Mrs. 365. Although there's not much left in there really, is there? But still, I don't want to be ungrateful. She's given me a candle. So there we go. So we've got 2 candles lit. You can't see this one. It's too high up at the moment still. But we're getting there. The tortoise wins the race, as they say. Especially the investing tortoise. He always wins the race. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm going to give myself a whiskey. I've actually got a whiskey measure today, because I'm trying to be a little bit careful with the consumption of whiskey, especially when I'm filming videos. I keep just topping it up, and before you know it, I've lost half a bottle of whiskey just by filming one video. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get the measuring thing out today. I've actually got a new whiskey. I wouldn't recommend it. I got it to try. I brought a few whiskies when it was Amazon Prime Day. Not Amazon Prime, what was it? Cyber Friday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever day it was. I think it was Cider Soundman said about Amazon having lots of whiskey for good deals. So I brought a few. I thought it's going to save me money in the long run. So I think I brought 4 or 5 whiskies to try. And I thought I'll put them away in the loft out the way so I don't just go through them really quickly. And then it will save me money if I stagger them out instead of spending sort of £30–40 a bottle on these bottles. They all cost me around about 25. So saved money. I've got all different ones to try. But like I said, this one's not particularly great. First thing I noticed was the cork is one of those really cheap plasticky corks. Really lets the bottle down. I'd rather just have a screw top than one of these silly things. Listen. I suppose that one sounds okay, but yeah, it's sort of a plasticky, I don't know, it's like a silly little cork, so that doesn't really have the same effect as a proper cork. But we're going to try and measure these out. We're going to go for a double still, but I just thought this way, hopefully, makes the bottle last a little bit longer, because normally I have it right up the top here. I'll top it up a good few times throughout a video, but I thought if I use the measuring thing, at least then I can try and make my bottles last a little bit longer. Be better for my health, better for my bank account, better for everything really. So cheers. Like I said, I'm not gonna promote that whiskey again because it doesn't deserve to be shown on camera, because it's one of my least favourite whiskies, but I'm gonna have to get through the bottle slowly but surely. Let's make a little bit of space, put out a little bit of silver. Sometimes it's quite nice to have some basic bullion coins instead of always showcasing proof coins and fancy stuff. Really, really love the American Silver Eagles, one of my favourite bullion coins. But we'll put them to one side. Still absolutely love this bar. I'm really tempted to take the plastic off of it, but I just don't want to lose this kind of COA, this certificate on the back. I don't think that's actually attached to the bar, so I think if I take the plastic off, I'm gonna just lose this bit of paperwork. That's the only thing that's putting me off, but I quite like the idea of maybe taking it out. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should. All of my other copper bars that have arrived in this kind of cellophane wrap I've left in it, just to kind of protect it that little bit more. Right, so we're going to do a mail call today. I'm guessing it's a mail call. Now, when I did the video the other day going through the things that people have sent me, I actually said this was from SGT Stacking. And that is because SGT Stacking has sent me something. I actually won something in one of his auctions, and he sent it over and it actually got lost in the post. And he's very kindly, and this is why it's so kind, because I chose to have it sent to me the cheapest way possible. I could have paid extra for it to be tracked, but I said, let's take the risk, let's go for the cheapest way possible. And he did that for me, and it actually got lost in the post. So it was a whole ounce of silver that I won in one of his auctions. And like I said, because I took the risk, didn't pay for the extra amount it would have cost, it went missing in the post. So I was willing just to kind of go, it's my fault, let's move on kind of thing. He kept emailing me kind of every few weeks, seeing if it had arrived. And eventually I said to him, I don't think it's going to turn up, it's still not here. And he has very, very kindly sent me another one out. So he didn't have to do that. Very, very generous of him. So I really, really appreciate that. But he has sent me another one out. And when this arrived, he sent me a picture of what it looked like. And it looked very similar envelope and similar label and everything. So when this arrived, I quickly saw SS at the top. And I thought it said SGT when I quickly looked at it. I just kind of assumed, because the picture that he sent me looked very similar to this. So I was thinking, yes, it's finally arrived. I've got it. And that's why the other day when I was going through my post that people have sent, I did say it's from SGT, but it actually says SS. Now, I'm not exactly sure who this is from, because there are a number of people that have the initials SS in the stacking community. And I thought it'd be a little bit of fun for you to pause this video and write down in the comment section any channel that you know that has the initial SS, because top of my head, I can think of a couple. We've got Silverstruck. We've got Serpent Silver, we've got Silver Stacker, and that is just 3 that I can think of top of my head. So do, like I said, pause the video and in today's comments section, write down any stacking channels that have the initial SS, because there are a number more, and I can't think of them top of my head now, but there's definitely a fair few channels that have SS in their initials. So it's quite nice, because I'm not exactly sure who has sent me this. Really not a fan of this whiskey. But let's get straight into it and find out. And see if any of you that wrote in the comment section has got it right. Is this going to work? No, I don't think it's going to work. There we go. Right, so we've got an envelope in here. anything else? No, I think that's it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Straight away we've got an Engelhard bar, silver bar. Wow. So generous. Now this was actually shipped, and I believe this was shipped the cheapest way possible when you're sending things from America, because it only costs $4 to ship, and it hasn't got any kind of details on it or anything like that. So I think this is the cheapest way to ship it, and I believe that Mr. Kiwi calls it, does he call it scary shipping? I can't remember the word he uses now, but he uses a term to basically say that you're kind of taking the risk when you send stuff like this. But wow, look at that. What a great start to a mail call. Can't get much better than that, can you? A vintage Engelhard bar, and it looks like it's in the original seal as well. No, it's in a flip, so we can take it out and have a look at it. But this is actually a vintage bar. Engelhard don't actually produce silver anymore, so anything you get from them is very, very collectible. I'm going to leave it in there for now because it's done in there very tightly. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Look at that. 1 troy ounce fine silver, 3 9s plus, Engelhard, serialised there. I don't know why, but I really, really love it when bars are serialised. I think it gives it that more personal feel. For me, it makes such a difference seeing a bar that's serialised. I don't know why. I think it adds to the authenticity of it, and it just adds to the feel and the look of the bar, I think. I just really like bars that have serial numbers. This one over here is a really cool bar that I picked up. I think I picked this up from eBay actually, and it's got a really cool serial number at the bottom. 0004090. But yeah, any bar that has a serial number on it, it just really ticks the boxes for me. Wow, so generous whoever sent that. Let's find out who it is. Right, we've got a nice letter here. Ah, it is Silverstruck. Wow, okay. The famous Silverstruck. Now, many of you have probably already seen his channel because it is one of the larger channels in the community. Really, really cool looking logo there. I will leave a link to his channel in the video description today. Please head over and drop him a sub if you're not already. Like I said, a number of you are probably already subscribed to him because he is one of the larger channels in the community. And wow, look how many stickers he sent me. These are really cool. Look at these. They're like hologram effect. Wow, they look great on camera. Look at all the different colours you're getting from those. Wow, really like those. So we've got a slightly smaller one. Stacking and collecting. Nice and thick as well, nice quality. And then we've got a larger one there. Wow, really, really nice. Love those stickers. Let's pop those to the side. I'm going to pop one over there. Look at that, look at all the colours you're getting from that. I'm going to pop one there as well, just to see if we get different colours from different angles. Yeah, we do. Look, we've got like a greeny colour there, and a bluey colour over there. So that's pretty cool. Right, let's read the letter. So it says, Dear 365 Days of Silver, I hope this letter finds you well. As you know, I've been watching your channel for a long time now. It's hard to catch all your videos, but I have watched quite a few of them. Your channel is growing fast because people love the content you are creating. Enclosed I have some of my channel stickers for you. I also sent along a silver gift for you. If you could send me your channel sticker, that would be great. Keep up the wonderful work you are doing on your channel. Your friend, Silverstruck. Wow, really, really kind words there, Silverstruck. And yes, Silverstruck is right. He has been following my channel for quite some time now. And vice versa. As soon as I discovered Silverstruck, I subscribed and I'm always watching his videos. He does some very well put together videos. And like I said, most of you probably have already heard of him. If you haven't, please do head over because he is one of the more established channels in the community and it's very professional feel and he's always putting out good content. He's recently done a challenge to fill, I think they're called Lighthouse Boxes, is that right? And they hold, I believe they hold 25 1-ounce silver bars. And I think it was Silverstruck who actually started that challenge, and it really ignited everyone's excitement to start stacking 1-ounce silver bars, because for a while they were kind of left on the fence a little bit. It was all about coins and rounds, and ever since Silverstruck started doing his challenge, it seems that everyone has really started finding their love for the 1-ounce bar. And I do really love the 1-ounce bars. I have got quite a few myself. That's got some nice tone on the side there. I just think there's something really special about them. I'm a massive fan of 1-ounce silver bars. I think you have a huge variety, all slightly different shapes and sizes. I'm just a massive fan. So yeah, thank you very much, Silverstruck, for sending me a whole ounce of silver. That's so generous of you, especially a premium piece like this. Really thoughtful, really kind. Thank you for your kind letter. Thanks for your stickers. I will get you some stickers out. I believe I sent you a poker chip. So you might have sent this just before that arrived. I think I sent you a poker chip. Let me know. If I've sent you a poker chip, then you've already got one of my stickers, because I would have put one of those in there. But if I didn't, I have actually got a few more poker chips now. So I will send you over a poker chip and a sticker and one of my business cards, if I've got any left. I don't know if I've got any left. I've put a load of them dotted around London when I went to London. So yeah, I don't think I've got any of those left. I have to have a look in my jacket pocket and see what I can find. But yeah, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Please all head over and show him some support. Also, please head over and show Serpent Silver some support. Like I said, he's got a very new channel, so you could do with as many people as possible heading over there to help him grow and help him get pushed forward in the community. But as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for all the support. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you all have a very nice day.